I just love my new pet parrot. Hello. Hello. Ooh, you're a pretty bird. Ooh, you're a teddy bear. Thank you. Thank you. I wish you could talk on your own. Okay, I will. What did you say? Okay, I will. Poppy, the bird talked.
Yeah, right. Yeah, okay. That's what parrots do. They mimic what you say.
No, she talked on her own.
Oh, yeah, okay. Yeah, right. Uh-huh.
What's your name? Paula Terry. Okay, Paula, how old are you? 12. Me too. Do you have sisters? Yeah. Do they annoy you? Not really. Does your mom make you do chores? Yeah. Who's your favorite singer? Michael Jackson. Mine too. What's your favorite song from him? Deed it.
Time to come eat.
This is our little secret, okay? Okay. Coming!